The topic is degrees of freedom. It is defined as minimum number of independent variables required to specify the position of a dynamic system. So the symbol of degrees of freedom F is equal to 3n minus k, where F is called degree of freedom, n means number of independent variables, and k is called number of independent relations. Okay, so here we will discuss three types of gas molecules. First one is monoatomic, second one is diatomic, and third one is triatomic gas molecule. We will discuss one by one. So coming to the first one, monoatomic gas molecule. Okay, so by seeing this easily we can understand monoatomic means it's a single particle system or single particle, isn't it? So look at here, this is the three-dimensional space x, y, z, and there is a monoparticle which is located exactly at the origin. Okay, now whenever a particle is located exactly in the space, three-dimensional space, either this particle will move along x-axis direction, or either it will move along y-axis direction, or there is a possible to move along z-axis direction. So by seeing this easily we can say that this particle will move in three-dimensional space either along x-axis or along y-axis or along z-axis. So the total degrees of freedom is equal to 1 degree of freedom along x-axis plus 1 degree of freedom along y-axis plus 1 degree of freedom along z-axis. So the total degree of freedom is equal to 3 translational degree of freedom. Here rotational degree of freedom as well as vibrational degree of freedom are neglected because the particle is a monoparticle. Monoparticle means it's a negligible. Okay, now coming to the diatomic gas molecule. So di means two particle system. Look at here, these are the two particles which are connected like this. Okay, like a linear diatomic molecule. Suppose this diatomic molecule, either it will move along x-axis direction, or either it will move along y-axis direction, or either it will move along z-axis direction. So the total translational degree of freedom is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 translational degree of freedom plus, suppose if these two molecules which is fixed exactly along x-axis, then the two particles will start rotating along y-axis direction, because y-axis will be like this. The two particles will rotate along y-axis direction, as well as another direction is it will rotate along z-axis direction also. Okay, so therefore 2 rotational degrees of freedom also possible. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 degree of freedom. Okay, suppose if these two diatomic molecule which is placed at higher temperature, if the particles are placed at higher temperature, so in that case the total degree of freedom is 3 translational degree of freedom plus 2 rotational degree of freedom, plus whenever this two particle system placed at a higher temperature, it starts vibrating. Okay, so vibrational energy means we know that one is a potential energy, another one is kinetic energy. So therefore 2 vibrational energy is also possible. The net degree of freedom is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 7. Okay, now coming to the triatomic gas molecule. So first we will discuss linear triatomic gas molecule. Okay, so this linear triatomic gas molecule which is similar to this one, that means the net degree of freedom is equal to 3 translational plus 2 rotational plus 2 vibrational degree of freedom, same as it is if it is placed at a higher temperature. Okay, suppose if the triatomic gas molecule will be like a non-linear molecule, so here the structure it looks like a triangular shape. Triangular shape is nothing but non-linear, isn't it? So in this case, these three particles, either it will move along x-axis, or either it will move along y-axis, or either it will move along z-axis. So there are three possible ways. Three translational motion means 3 degrees of freedom. At the same time, these three particles will rotate along y-axis direction like this, will rotate along x-axis direction like this, it will rotate along z-axis direction also. So therefore 3 rotational degrees of freedom also possible. The net degree of freedom means 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, so try to understand. For linear triatomic molecule means 3 translational degree plus 2 rotational degree plus 2 vibrational degrees of freedom. Net degrees of freedom means 7, which is similar to linear diatomic molecule if it is placed at higher temperature. Okay, so both the answers will be same. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you so much.